Let's start with MAC learning and aging. In order for a switch to be able to know which port to send a particular frame, it must learn the MAC address of the connected host. Switches learn the MAC address by examining the source MAC address of incoming frames on interfaces. The switch adds the MAC and the port it came from into the MAC address table or the CAM table. This table is maintained within the memory of a switch. Dynamic means the entries are automatically added to the table based on the source MAC address of incoming network packets. So if the switch receives a frame with the destination address of BB22, for example, the device will know to switch that frame out of FAO2 interface only, based on this entry in the MAC address table. MAC entries are dynamically aged out after a timeout period if no traffic is seen from that MAC again. The dynamically learned MAC addresses are deleted after the MAC address age value has expired. This prevents the table from being filled with stale address and saves memory. Switches maintain a MAC address table for a set amount of time, which is known as an aging timer. The aging timer is used to identify how long a MAC address of a non-communicating device should be stored in the CAM table. The default MAC address flushing time of all VLANs is 300 seconds or 5 minutes. Here is an example scenario. Host A sends a frame to host B. The switch sees the frame on FAO1 and records the MAC address on the FAO1 port. After 5 minutes of inactivity, it removes the entry.